how to fix Crunchyroll subscription not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Crunchyroll subscription not showing. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, let's start with the step 1. That is to check your account. So first open the Crunchyroll app and make sure that you're logged in to the correct account that you used to purchase the subscription. And with that, moving forward to the second step, that is to restore the purchase. So here you can always go to the settings section and there you can just scroll down and tap on subscription, and there you can go through your purchase to restore it, and this will sync your account and restore your premium membership. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to check your subscription status. So now here, once you're inside the app, what you can do is you can just go to the account section, and now here once you're inside the account section, you can simply scroll down and there you can just tap on the membership if you have purchased the premium subscription before, and from there you can just see if your premium plan is active or not. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to update the app. So here what you can do is you can just go to the Play Store and there you can simply search for the Crunchyroll app, and there if you find an update button, then you can just tap on it to update the app to the latest version. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to log out and log back in. So here, if you're facing the issue with the premiumship on Crunchyroll, then what you can do is you can simply log out of your Crunchyroll account, and after that you can simply log back in, and after that you can check if it refresh your account information or not. And that's it. That's how you can fix Crunchyroll subscription not showing and restore your premium membership. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.